Do you want to come and see a VIP view of the Eiffel Tower with me? Let's go. Just over here. There she is. It is pretty damn amazing and humbling to see it in person, and not just the Eiffel Tower, but all the landscape and beautiful architecture and just the history of Paris. Now, if you're curious about how I built this type of life 5 years ago, I made the big, bold decision to start my own business against all the odds, against many people telling me that it probably wasn't the best idea. But I felt desperate and I went ahead and did it anyway. And I learned a skill called ads management. Ads management is a skill of running ads for other companies. It's as simple as that. It's highly creative, it's fun, collaborative, and for a creative person like me who liked writing and just likes talking to people, it's tremendously rewarding. If you want to learn more about ads management, I've got a free link in my bio and a free training where you can learn more.